Are you tired of watching customers struggle with deciphering your menu items? If so, this video is for you. In this video, we're bringing you some tips for creating a restaurant menu that attracts customers and builds their confidence. Make a comprehensive list of menu items, including food, beverages, and specials. Categorize menu items wisely, based on cuisine or type of dish. Pick appropriate and memorable names for menu items. Provide concise and appealing descriptions of menu items. Highlight unique specials as a unique selling point. Determine pricing based on market and customer preference. Place menu items effectively using Z-line principles. Include eye-catching images of menu items. Offer a digital menu option to make it convenient for customers. I hope now you have a clear idea of how to design a good menu for your restaurant. Try these tips and see your menu speaking for itself.